northeastern Pope, POPE County in central Arkansas, eastern Searcy County in north central Arkansas, southwestern Stone County in north central Arkansas, northern Van Buren County in north central Arkansas, until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northwestern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, northeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, southwestern White County in central Arkansas, until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 3 miles northeast of McAlmont, or 3 miles south of Jacksonville, and moving north at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sherwood, Searcy, Little Rock Air Force Base, Jacksonville, Cabot, Ward, Sylvania, Sylvan Hills, South Bend, Parnell, Olmsted, Old Austin, Mount Vernon, Meadow, McRae, McAlmont, Lakewood, Greystone. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 162 and 171. This includes Interstate 440 between mile markers 12 and 14. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday evening for northeastern Arkansas. The National Weather Service